One cookie went missing, and 4 suspects are lined up. Can you catch the culprit before the clues do? Whodunit is about proof, not guessing. Every clue found at the scene has to be explained. The real culprit's marks match every single one. Anyone missing even one clue is instantly out. Now let's crack a real case, clue by clue. Here's one real case, solved clue by clue. 4 suspects, 4 scene clues, and only one explanation fits them all. The first clue rules out whoever has no matching mark, and the dog is out. The second clue does the same, and the bear can't explain it either. The third clue narrows it down again, and the mouse is out too. The fourth clue checks out on the suspect still standing. Every clue fits the cat, and only the cat, so the cat is the culprit. Whodunit trains logical deduction. You practice ruling out options with evidence, and you spot the one answer that explains everything. Ready to think like a detective? Play Whodunit free at PlayMemorize. New cases every single time. Crack the case today.